Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the VOWVIT V-W3 home rowing machine. VOWVIT V-W3 home rowing machine, okay? It's a high quality wooden construction rower with Bluetooth, if you like. This rowing machine will be operated with water resistant, and that's really cool because then you have the right feeling like you're on a boat, on the ocean, for example. And on top, it's easy foldable. You can be a big guy to use that, or a tiny small, because it goes from 1.2 meter up to 2 meter, suitable user size, and heavyweight proofed. 175 kilogram load is possible. That's because the wooden construction. Wow, that's a cool thing. It looks really nice, and it is nice designed in nice quality because it is made out of a high quality wooden construction. The VOWVIT V-W3 water resistance rowing machine is made of high quality wood structure. Aesthetically pleasing and extremely robust and durable. The main frame has rounded edges and corners. It is pleasantly smooth to the touch and does not hurt our hands. Real solid wood without formaldehyde and 28mm thick. The maximum load is up to 175 kilograms. It's suitable for users of different ride classes and sizes, this giving us a stable rowing experience while we have a workout. It's suitable for the whole family, stable and durable. The VOWVIT rowing machine for home, made of wood, is equipped with an adaptable water resistance, and it is suitable for use by the whole family. The polycarbonate water tank and oars made of hardened nylon fibreglass provided excellent pressure and corrosion resistance, ensuring a long term of use without deforming and high durability on top. The distance between the end of the side and the footrest is up to 120 centimeters, and it is suitable for people with a height of 1.2 meters up to 2 meters. And it's the same time it's quiet and comfortable designed. Ergonomic round tube handles and polyurethane seat cushion provides ultimate support and a comfortable seating experience. This adapts to the human body curves and will relieve the pressure caused by a long training workout. Quite designed seat wheels, wrapped U-shaped rails, and a simulated two-piece paddles ensure low noise and high stability during exercise, creating a quiet training environment for us and our family. Interactive training experience is possible because the oversized tablet holder for the mobile phones and iPads, for example, can be adjusted in height to watch training videos and live action, which increases the fun and the scientific of the training. Thanks to the app Real Life Rowing, for example, it simulates the real water flow change. It's feel the immersive experience of outdoor rowing. This makes training more interesting and efficient too. And it's a comprehensive training and effective fat burner. This rowing machine is not only a fat burning device, but also it can train more than 80% of our muscular group throughout the body. By combining aerobic and anaerobic training, this rowing machine comprehensively improves the vitality, coordination, and explosive power of the muscles and achieves the next efficient fat burning and shaping effect. Wide range of application, suitable for the whole family. Both is possible. Children's, parents, adults, and grannies can enjoy the healthy life that this rowing machine brings us at home. And we have presses data real-time monitoring because it's equipped with an electronic high-tech meter. It displays the key data such impact frequency, performance, calorie burn, and training time in real time. This helps us to comprehensively monitor that the effect of the workout more better for us. We setting a clear training goals, improves training efficiency, and makes every workout more scientific and effective at the same time. And it's comfortable movement and fast folding equipment, because it is equipped with a particle movable wheels that's easy to move and quiet and very resistant. No matter where we are at home, the main frame is designed to fold quickly without the need for a complicated installation process. 95% of the parts are pre-installed, and only 3 parts need to be installed. Easy to lift and hold. It's compact and wide, without fear to tipping over. So we're working can done anywhere in any time. And it looks really cool in your sports area. That's the VOWVIT V-W3 rowing machine. Stable, FSC certified high quality wooden frame. 175 kg load capacity, 1.2 up to 2 meters suitable height, durable 14-liter water tank. It's quite operation possible. We have Bluetooth monitor, and it's compatible with Kino Map, for example. 180 degrees folding system, and easy to set up. That's it for home use, of course. We start a virtual rowing tour while staying at home with the Bluetooth monitor. This shows trainings, data in real time, speed, distance, calories, watt, counts, 500-meter pace, SPM, FTMS, Bluetooth protocol, connects devices to the app, providing realistic rowing experience, virtual landscapes, and unusual training worldwide. You can make this to a really cool sports activity, because we have a premium water tank. It's durable and smooth rowing experience. The durable polycarbonate water tank, shock resistant, 2-blade paddle design for authentic rowing feeling. And that's right, it's the best rowing feeling I ever had on a rower. And we have sturdy paddle for a secure grip. It adjusts paddles with 6 settings. Safety straps provide flexible and comfort, and it holds you in position. And the seat shape is really fantastic. It feels like in a rower, in a boat, on the ocean, for example. And adjustable versatile tablet stand. It uses different heights. Find the best perspective for watching exercise videos and classes, like on my channel on while we are rowing. And a quiet and comfortable ergonomic seat. The ergonomic seat and the noise-reducing pull eyes provide stability and comfort at the same time. And because of the quiet and durable double rails, 28mm thick wooden double rails for a smoother with improved edges design. Quite stable rowing pulls. And in addition to the benefits, the raised main frame provides the greater stability and comfort. This reduces the strain on the user's back and legs. The unique non-slip feet reduces noise and protects the floor and increases the safety for an optimal home workout. This all brings this device, and it's only 30 centimeter from the bottom to the seat, for example, in height. Effortless assembly. Easy to assemble because we only have to attach 3 parts to assemble. And easy movement because experiential easy maneuverability with a lightweight wheels. Minimal effort while moving the machine indoor and outdoor. And of course easy to storage. It's space-saving design. It folds up to 0.3 square meters. It takes up minimal space, and so it's easy to store. In the intimacy of our home, this elegant wooden rowing machine unfolds its fascination to provide a unique, emotionally charged workout. Let yourself be touched by the silence of the rivers as the VOWVIT. This turns our home fitness experience into an unforgettable adventure. And this all brings us the VOWVIT V-W3 home rowing machine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.